Good evening, America. How's every one of you doing tonight? Hope you're well. I'm doing pretty kick-ass. So I want to talk to you guys about some weight loss stuff and the importance of a few different aspects. So you're not losing weight, right? And you're struggling to lose weight. And you're thinking that you're not working hard enough in the gym or you're not eating clean enough. Well, what happens when you're eating clean and you're working out but you're still not losing weight, which millions of Americans are doing today? Well, then we get to go even deeper and find some other issues. And you guys know I talk a lot about mindset and stuff. This isn't about mindset. This is actual some medical stuff. So I want to talk to you guys about the liver. The liver can either manufacture or metabolize fat, or it stores fat based on how it's running. And so usually the liver will be able to basically remove the fat globules in the blood. Well, if it isn't functioning highly and it doesn't remove these fat globules, where's the fat go? Well, it goes around other organs and it goes in your stomach and under your skin. And so most people with a poor liver function, they can lose weight all over their body, on their arms, they look ripped, but you know, they still have a little bit of that visceral fat, that tummy fat. And so it's highly important to detoxify and cleanse your liver. So kids that eat a lot of soda pop and processed foods, mothers, I'm talking to you. Yes, I'm fucking talking to you. Do you let your kids eat a bunch of processed food and soda pop? It is creating fatty liver in adolescence. This is why so many American children are obese today. It is causing a fatty liver. And what happens when you have a fatty liver? You're at risk for cardiovascular disease, you're at higher risk for type 2 diabetes, and a wealth of problems. So if you guys are eating clean and you think that you're working out hard and the weight's just not coming off, there's a lot of other things that could be going on too. So many things play into weight loss, but it could be that your liver is not functioning at a high rate. So you get to go take some liver cleanse pills or do some stuff like that. I'm not going to give you guys my recommendations right now. You're going to have to do your own research if you want to know how to clean the liver and get it. What I'm going to tell you is why it's so fucking negative. Okay? So parents, please stop feeding your fucking children processed food and soda pop. It's the worst thing that you can do for them. Creates the fatty liver and creates the visceral fat. It creates a bunch of other problems. And the liver actually regulates good and bad cholesterol, right? So the liver produces good cholesterol, right? Which is, I'm getting a brain fart. I believe it's HDL is the good and LDL is the bad. It could be the other way around. But basically, your liver produces good cholesterol and it goes out into the rest of the body and it scavenges and destroys the bad cholesterol. Now, we all know that there is no difference between dietary cholesterol. There is not good or bad dietary cholesterol. Cholesterol has to do with the protein carriers that pick it up, the two different HDL and LDL. And so if your liver isn't functioning properly, then chances are you have shitty cholesterol too. You can't lose weight and you're probably low on energy and you don't feel good because your body's working overtime and it's keeping all these toxins and all this toxicity in it. Your liver is the filtration system of the body, you guys. It is the filtration system. So when it stops working, other things stop functioning in your body. This is Tyson James Lee, reminding each and every one of you to be about that fucking action, boss.